The axolotl, a fascinating amphibian native to Mexico's Lake Xochimilco, looks like a mythical creature with its feathery gills and permanent smile. Unlike most amphibians, it remains in its larval stage throughout its life, a condition called neoteny, giving it a youthful charm. What truly sets the axolotl apart is its remarkable ability to regenerate. Whether it's a limb, spinal cord, or part of its heart, the axolotl can regrow it, inspiring groundbreaking medical research. Despite their captivating nature, wild axolotls are critically endangered due to habitat destruction, pollution, and invasive species. However, they thrive in captivity, bringing joy to enthusiasts around the globe. Axolotls remind us of the mysteries of nature and the importance of conservation. Their resilience and unique abilities serve as a symbol of hope and the wonders of life we must strive to protect.